The following is a short tutorial for team captains in different cities that will be working with their groups to map the groups and organizations that are emerging as part of this network of relationships that makes up the It's Time network. Each city captain will have a seat on a platform called Slack that will make it simple for us to stay connected and communicate and share information with each other. The way Slack is organized is into different channels. On the left here, you can pick different channels. Each city will have a channel, and I'm using the Seattle channel as a good example of what we're talking about. We'll be building out channels for each of the different cities. The purpose of this channel, like each of the city channels, will be to empower the local teams that are organizing in support of the It's Time network. And a channel has a history of different posts that were made to it. These messages can contain files as well as point out to other documents and make it comprehensive and simple to get all the information related to a specific topic. In this case, the working on the network map for Seattle. In the upper right, you can also see info about the channel, as well as you can pin certain items. And there's a number of key items that we wanted to point out here. The way you'll be sharing this information is through a Google spreadsheet. So I click here, and I can open this Google Docs spreadsheet. And in here, you'll be able to add the person name, and organization name, and their website. And down on the bottom, you'll see there's a tab, and there'll be a tab for each of the different cities. The way that we've organized this information and the status of these partners is into 3 different categories. And we show that here in an image to walk through the process, where at first groups and organizations can be named and identified, and we're calling those recommended. And once they've been recommended and you've contacted them and they've agreed to lend their name to the It's Time network, we're calling them allies. We may not have a formal partnership, but at least they've granted us permission to show them as an ally. And then once a more formal agreement is in place, they'll become partners, whether they be engagement partners or other kind of partners. And of course, all of this is emerging just as we speak. But at least this channel has the information to help you understand that. Now, what this map will look like, this is another picture, but actually I'm going to click on the bottom and get right to the map itself. It's going to take me online. In this case, it's going to start with Seattle. But you can see that you can move through. This is called the Plex, this area up above. And let me close this so we have a full screen here. And I can go to the different cities. But if I look in Seattle, those categories are there. So I can see the groups that have been recommended. And all of these have websites, and I can click through to those websites. But I can also get back to the very beginning of It's Time network and click through. So as we add this information, you're going to see the network grow and see the different organizations involved. To get a better understanding of what the network map is about, we've put together a presentation, a set of slides that you can go to that are here as well. And that'll give you even more information. So don't hesitate to ask for help. We don't expect everyone to understand this at first. It's a new platform, a new environment to work in. But this will make it easy to connect to all the relevant information put into context in these channels, as well as if need be, we can have private groups, as well as direct messaging each other. So I look forward to working with you on this. Don't hesitate to ask for help. I'm John Raymer. You can call me at 206-972-7356. We're excited about the opportunity to turn the postponing of the summit into another way that It's Time will be expressed, and that we can keep this work that's so vital moving forward. Looking forward, and bye for now.